Lindsay Clancy, a former labor and delivery nurse from Duxbury, Massachusetts, is charged with murdering her 3 young children, Cora, Dawson, and Callan, in January 2023. Prosecutors allege the killings were deliberate and calculated. Her defense acknowledges that she caused the children's deaths, but argues that she was suffering from postpartum psychosis and was not criminally responsible. The central question is, was this intentional murder or a catastrophic break from reality? Lindsay Clancy has pleaded not guilty and is presumed innocent unless proven guilty.
All right, good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon, Your Honor.
All right, Ms. Buckingham, please.
Thank you. Sir, could you please tell the jury your first and last name?
Cameron Daly,
And how do you spell your first name?
Cameron.
And can you just spell your last name for the record?
Daley.
And where do you work?
Duxbury Police Department.
How long have you been there?
6.5 years.
And back in January of 2023, what was your assignment then?
Patrolman.
And I'm going to draw your attention specifically to January 24th, 2023. Were you asked to do a particular assignment out of Duxbury in that evening?
Yes.
And what were you asked to do?
Report to Brigham and Women's Hospital
And why were you going there?
for hospital watch of the suspect.
And that individual was Lindsay Clancy?
Correct.
Was there already a Duxbury officer on scene at Brigham and Women's when you got there?
Yes, 2.
2?
Yes.
And who were they?
Officer Lepard and Officer Broderick.
And when you arrived at the Brigham and Women's Hospital, were you by yourself or was there somebody else with you?
I was with another officer, Officer Thomas Johnson.
And were you able to make observations of the suspect, of the defendant, Lindsay Clancy, on that day?
Yes.
And she was asleep, was she not?
Correct.
And she had medical devices attached to her?
Yes.
Was she being treated by the medical staff there at Brigham?
Yes, periodically.
Okay. And were you inside or outside the room, if you know?
Outside the room.
And were any visitors or any other people other than the medical staff in that room with her while you were there?
No.
And from the 24th into the 25th, what time did you leave the next day on the 25th?
So I reported to the hospital on the 25th.
Oh, okay.
I was there. I arrived at 10 a.m.
So your shift there at the hospital was what?
I got there at 10 a.m. I left about 7 p.m. that night, but it was an 8 to 4 scheduled patrol shift.
Okay, and you said that was on the 25th?
Correct.
And you took over for Officer Lepard?
Correct, who were there on the overnight previous.
Okay, thank you for clarifying. And when you left that next evening on the 25th at 7 p.m., was there another Duxbury officer who came to relieve you, or who came to relieve you?
No, at that time, State Police Detective McDonald arrived on scene with his crime scene team, and then Plymouth County Sheriff deputies came to take over the hospital watch.
And during that entire shift that you were there, were any attorneys or any other individuals in the room to see Ms. Clancy?
No.
And did you go back to the hospital for any shifts after that day?
No.
Thank you. Nothing further.
Were you in uniform?
Yes.
Had your gun on?
Correct.
Had your badge?
Yes, sir.
The other guy too?
Yes, sir.
You were gonna what, guard the woman that was tied to the...
Correct.
That's all we had.
Anything? All right, thank you, sir. Let me step down.
Thank you.